Hello everyone, I am Mary De Leon, TV and events host, and I love doing outdoor activities, free diving, and anything fun under the sun. Yes! So yes, ngayon, ang product na I will introduce to you is our Organic Nature Mangosteen Coffee and 9-in-1 Coffee Powder. But now, we will be trying out this one. Okay? So, ito kasing coffee natin. It has mangosteen, it has moringa, and guyabano. Yon. Nakakatuwa kasi, mangosteen and guyabano, ano na yun vitamin C. Diba? And of course, we love to take care of our body. So, dun tayo sa mga healthy na product. Yes. And it's in coffee. So, that is two products that we love. Diba? Pwede nating ma-enjoy every day, anytime, a healthier coffee. Okay, let's try. Lasa siyang coffee. Kasi sabi niya, mangosteen coffee siya. Hindi ka magtatak, bak mangosteen coffee? Ano lasa niyan? Lasa po siyang coffee. Tinahanap ko yung mangosteen tsaka yung guyabano. Ang nalalasahan ko talaga is coffee. So yes. But I know we have the benefits of the fruits. Yung vitamin C ng mangosteen and guyabano. When I drink coffee, usually, 1 cup pa lang sa ibang brand, may reaction na kagad yung stomach ko. Sa ibang coffee, hindi ako masyadong makainom kasi nga, there's a lot of reactions happening. But with this brand, naubos ko na yung 1 cup. I have been trying this for 1 week na. So kapag ka ito ang nauubos ko, nakaubos ako ng 1 cup, after ilang hours na, wala, no palpitation, wala ring like acidic reaction sa stomach ko that usually sa ibang brand na-experience ko. But with this, walang ganon. Why? Because it has stevia sweeteners. So, ano rin siya, para sa mga sugar conscious, okay na okay siya because stevia sweetener ang gamit niya. No sugar added. Halal certified din siya. So, sa mga friends natin dyan na conscious about that, it is halal certified. FDA approved din siya. Makasisiguro ka sa product na ito. And contains important vitamins that could help maintain a healthier you. Yan. O, diba? No, maganda nga kasi if you're conscious and if you love coffee, we have that product for you. Okay, so ang ating Organic Nature Mangosteen Coffee and ang ating 9-in-1 Coffee Powder, both 399 pesos with 10 sachets. Yes, ito yung mangosteen natin from Organic Nature. So there you go. Enjoy your cup of coffee and healthier you. Yay!